They were in Guantanamo for the last 20 years and releasing today.
public भी ऐसा
So we have just made the wudu, entering the mosque this beautiful new month. Let's go inside. Welcome to the smallest airport in the world, one of the smallest. Just gave the rented car and on our way to Kabul. We are not rushing, we have a lot of time, so let's see where we should come. This is the small airport. Okay. And one of the good news is that we don't have any luggage, only hand luggage. And the other thing is that we have checked in. That's great. So what is the plan for this? Departure is there. Let's go inside, or should we enjoy something here? Okay, what do we have here? Let's go and see. World's smallest airport and fastest check-in. Well, I had checked in and it took me 1 minute to get inside. Now we will go to the waiting area. We don't have any luggage or check-in or so on. I have the boarding pass on my phone, so that's nice. Very easy. Now we have 3 hours. It's 1 o'clock. So in the smallest airport in the world, it took only 2 minutes from the door outside to get inside here. And here, this is Sharjah. Welcome to Sharjah, Habibi.
Departing to Lucknow, our target
What do we have here? We have a nice food court there with small shoppers drinking water here, and we have a mosque there. We will go to the mosque. I would like to go and take a rest and switch to the comfort clothes. Let's switch to Afghan clothes from this now to this. Really nice. I like it. Very comfortable, easy, and good looking too, of course. Well, let's see what we can buy here in duty free last station before Afghanistan, before Kabul. अरे यार इंशाल्लाह काबुल तरवान. Okay, now we're going to the gate. تیارې ته د خیر سره په بس کې و تیارې ته د شپې 4 بجې او چې اسد دی بیده او انزله دی اره دا دي بکسونه ټول نو روان د خیر سره و سیټ ته عجب سیټ پوزیشن دی. اوس به ورسېږو انشاءالله. تیاران خالي معلومېږي. بس روان یو. سهار به ورسېږو د خیر کابل ته. arriving in Kabul. Now going to Kurta number 17 on our way from Sharjah to Kabul.
ولي كل من عفوة محمود ونجينا ويسرنا جميعا خدمتكم خلال رحلة اليوم رقم 718 والمتوجهة بعون الله تعالى إلى كابول. أجل راحتكم وسلامتكم ونرجو حضراتكم اللقاء الجاي.
كابل ترزيد الخير زي كابل ترزيد الخير إن شاء الله. شروع عنده بنات. Arrived in Kabul. Lovely weather. السلام عليكم جوانت سندسوا شايفك شرازي
اوه
دارس ولا فرين
اخذ خمسين راولم اخذ عشان بقراول.
Once again, welcome to Afghanistan. We have arrived at Kabul airport. What a lovely weather, what a lovely day. And actually there is a good news. As you see all over, they have a lot of pictures of two guys who have been in Guantanamo for the last 20 years. And we have also, mashallah, they were in Guantanamo for the last 20 years and releasing today. Welcome to Kabul. چقدر بند است نه از دست چپ که میری تا طرف چیز
زدی شبیه زدی ماما ملاجک قبولی رو برات میکنم زدی شبادار ده بیا کنده واله ما سسلوگر سفرای ازی بسیار چیز داریم که مرید است مرید دایه امی حالا جا خو هغه وخت یې کار پر کوي د وخت کار میکرد سرش اما جور نبود خوب جمع و جوش میگا شده اینجا از هلمند اسکندار کوله کده
خب پاک
آه خوب جای است حال شاید خنک باشه اما جای که اینه کار میته و الکترونیکی تا